Okay, video. Okay, say Happy New Year 24 now, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year 2024!
Okay, say one thing you wish for year 2024. Okay, you first. Oh, Gossip go first. Because last time. Okay. You got it. Say something good you wanna accomplish, like you want to do.
Get to the end of like the school year with good grades.
All right. Woo! Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Wait, where's my good toy?
What's over there?
Where? Oh. Okay. Come on, you.
Last Christmas.
Like you do. Say.
You sing that song a lot.
Yes, you do have wishes. Say something.
Nothing in mind.
Anything.
Anything.
I wish that everybody could be always safe for their lives.
Yeah.
What is that?
What do you think?
You're not safe.
I wish everybody could be safe for the rest of their life.
Oh, okay.
Lily, come on.
Okay, good job. Thank you.
Lily.
How about you, Lily?
My wish is for a lot of more playfulness in life and more fun, even more adventures. Oh yes!
Cool.
Alright!
Come on.
Kuna dạy của tia cho phải là blog của cứ tao như cái tao với tầm vacation.
Sparkle, sparkle!
And you're the J to cheer.
My
Bigger
turn.
house.
My turn.
Oh, and
My
wish
turn.
my kids all be very good students and do what they're supposed to do and listen to mommy and love mommy, right?
Okay.
You guys love mommy?
I'm gonna be very simple, okay?
Okay.
My wish
You love
was
mommy?
Yes.
Okay, thank
My-
you. Oh, see, my son is taller than me.
No,
He's
he's
5'6". Wow.
My wish for 2024 is for all my family members, including the extended family members, to get what they wish for and want. Okay? Okay. Love you guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Honey, look at that. See, come here. Look at that. Look
You
at
better
that.
drink more milk, buddy.
Whoa,
You know who's the big guy
see,
here?
What Jay?
Big guy right here.
Whoa.
You are second to me. Yeah, Hoochie. Hoochie is bigger than me though.
everyone's
Guy,
getting
he's
taller.
only 7th grade.
Even
He's
sisters
taller.
getting taller.
Hoochie is bigger than me.
But if we don't too, that's our beautiful height. Okay.
Here.
我怎么学电呢？我都能。Exercise time. Exercise. Happy New Year, Happy New Year.